Welcome to Driftwood. This really super cottage is in the heart of Braunton. Let me show you around. As you can see, there's a separate living room to the dining room, and in each of the rooms, take note of the original features. There's fireplaces, built-in storage that really add to the charm of this beautiful cottage. As you can see, unlike traditional cottages, this cottage is light, airy and has 3 double bedrooms, so it's spacious. And to top it off, come in and look at the size of this bathroom. For outside space, you've got this lovely walled courtyard, and through these doors, firstly, you have a utility with plumbing for washing machine and storage for bikes and surfboards, etc. And another WC, which is really quite handy. I love this property and I know you'll love it too, so why not come and have a look for yourself. Call me on 01271 812 263 as I'd love to show you around.